Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Beth, and if you're new, welcome. I have been sewing little items for an upcoming auction, and someone requested I make some cloth napkins. So today I'll share how I'm making a very simple set of cloth napkins using two different fabrics, a little less than 1 yard each of those two fabrics. I put my two fabrics together, right sides together, and I have a large template that I'm cutting a 16-inch square using my large template. You would not need one of these, but it did make the cutting just a little bit easier. After cutting that first square, I went around with pins and I pinned all four corners and all four sides so that my two squares would stay together as I sew around this large napkin. Beginning on one of those sides, I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch away from the edge. I'm going to do a little back stitch where I begin, and I will also do a little back stitch where I end, and I'll leave about a 2-inch opening so I can turn this napkin right side out. After sewing all the way around, leaving that opening, I trimmed off the corners and then I turned this napkin right side out. I pressed the edges of my napkin and I made sure to press the edges in where that opening is so that when I top stitch around, those raw edges will be on the inside. I'm going to top stitch very close to the edge, and I chose a matching thread to use when I sew around the edge of my napkin. It didn't take long at all to get these napkins complete, and I have some brown butcher paper here, and I cut a strip because these are going to be at an auction. I wanted to label them, so this is a very simple label I made with some paper that I had on hand. I made a little label, and then I just wrapped up the folded napkins and put a little piece of tape on the back, and these napkins are ready to go. I'm going to make one more set of napkins for this auction. I'm kind of curious if they will be of interest to many people, but I do know the person that asked me, she'll probably purchase these, and we'll just see how it goes. These are really easy to put together. It took me under an hour to do the cutting and the sewing for these fun Christmas time napkins. These were really fun and easy to put together. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.